Isa lang naman ang kailangan nito. We should be safe. Pag-retire ko, gusto ko safe ako. At maayos yung iiwanan ko na organization. Look at Philippine Military Academy. Lagi akong buwabalik dito, tinitignan kung ano yung natutunan ko at of course to remain is kung ano yung natutunan para ma-implement. No? In Philippine National Police Academy, marami pa tayong gagawin. Hindi naman natin kino-compare, but kailangan natin ayusin. There were several billions or hundreds of millions that were programmed din sa Philippine National Police Academy in the past, but hindi na-implement or hindi naayos ng mabuti. And so, the PNP will be investing to improve yung Philippine National Police Academy. Doon ko sisimula. Actually, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan, sinimulan ko na. At marami na tayong mga programa, project, starting from the organization, structure, and staffing pattern. Imagine, walang nakalagay doon kung ano ang actual staffing pattern for civilian employee or instructor. Kailangan maayos lahat, including yung mga capital outlay. So, nag-usap na kami ng ating butihing SILG na tulungan ang Philippine National Police Academy improve as well as yung Special Action Force.